Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and today we're standing on something a little bit exciting, a little bit unique. You've seen my face on a lot of videos, but we're standing on a boat that is near and dear to me that I have a lot of fun with. This is our 2025 Azimut 48 Verve. This boat is finished in blue Avio Met. It is gorgeous, as you'd expect an Italian boat to be. If you want to see some of the pictures in the listing, grab the link right here. Guys, this boat is near and dear to me and to our store because the hull bottom is done by Michael Peters, a naval architect from right here in Sarasota. So when you take his twin step hull design and combine it with these color matched V12s from Mercury with 600 horsepower apiece, you get a tremendously capable boat. And Azimut has given preference to some of the thoughts that we have and we need. For instance, this upgraded Betaline fabric in Eden Gray is very, very resilient for our marketplace. The S-Tech flooring that I'm walking on is another part of this boat that is incredibly resilient and light on maintenance. But they've also tipped their hat to us with stuff like JL audio over your head, hidden away, including over the dash, or the Kenyan grills that we see on so many other yachts, a pair of them here, very nicely finished. In fact, this wet bar with options for an ice maker and refrigeration, a sink here, and even a TV power that rises from behind the helm is a truly, truly wonderful space on this 48 Verve. And you're probably saying, it looks like you're standing on a dance floor. What about a table? Azimut has very cleverly designed a tremendous table that rises from the deck and has a cover for use, but disappears completely for the times when you have people absolutely flooding on your boat, which when you're an Azimut owner, you will. Let's step to the helm, and I want to show you some of the tech that Azimut has put into this. They've pulled a package from Ray Marine, but as you can see, incredible control and tech here at the dash. One of the systems that works the nicest for us is from Azimut. You have everything from lights and air conditioning to access to your batteries and alarms. And of course, this boat has radar and all your engine data and everything else you could hope for. And they don't exclude it to the dash because overhead, they're going to give you your compass by Silva. They're going to give you controls for your sunroof and more, as well as your stereo. And even the helm seat is power, with the ability to drop a booster here, as well as a footrest for the port passenger seat. They've thought of everything. And you say, why a footrest? Well, because this stanchion cannot extend past the cabin. And of course, Azimut calls this boat a weekender. I think a weekender isn't really complete enough. On the 48 Verve, you get an absolutely expansive cabin for an outboard powered boat. As you can see, a wonderful dinette area here with natural lighting under both sides and one of the best galleys you're going to find in an outboard boat under 50 feet. In fact, frankly, beyond 50 feet. The TV is recessed behind glass, and it just puts a detailed finish to this boat that you're not really going to find many other places. And that carries forward as you go into what would traditionally be the master suite, even going so far as Moscato leather detail on either side for your phones or whatever you need. Azimut has gone to exceptional lengths to make this boat absolutely beautiful. And we'd be remiss if we didn't show you the last part of the cabin. And you guys know from my videos, I don't get deep into cabins. But when you have an outboard powered weekender that has a dry head with a very, very adequate separate shower and this level of detail, it has to be pointed out. For those that are a part of a growing family or think they might entertain once in a while, this is one of the few boats in its class to feature a rear twin berth. This gives you access, whether it's an extra couple, your friends, or anyone else you might need, and really sets the 48 Verve apart from those who want not just a weekender, the lifestyle. Azimut will blow your hair back, both on the water at speed as well as in the details. And our 48 Verve, done in Blue Avio Met, is one of the prettiest ones in all of Florida. This is MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and I'm Jeremiah Long. If you want to know more about this Azimut or any of our line, reach out and call myself, Jeremiah, or any of the folks on the sales team. We look forward to helping you out.